As a data analyst, one of the very important tools that you actually can't do without is statistical analysis. And this is actually a branch of statistics that actually allows us to use the concept of statistics in conjunction with probability to actually make decision and conclusion regarding our data sets. Knowing the type of data sets that you are actually working with is actually very important to statistical analysis because it allows you to know the type of statistical test to use based on the type of data set that you have at hand, and it also allows you to know the type of data viz tool to use based on the type of data sets that you have at hand. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the types of data sets that we have in statistics. But before I actually move into that, I have to define data itself. And what is data? In simple terms, data is actually information that was collected either from a population or from a sample, and this is done regarding to a group of people or a group of things. Let's take, for example, I come to your university and then I ask for the CGPA of students or the expenses of students or timetables in each department. Then these are useful information regarding students in that university, and it can either be from a population or from a sample. So let's talk about the types of data. So basically, in the world of statistics, we actually have two types of data sets. We have what we call the qualitative data, aka the categorical data, and we have the quantitative data, aka the numerical data. So a data set is actually said to be qualitative or categorical if we can't attach a number to it. That is, we can't attach a numerical value to them. For a qualitative data, we can't perform arithmetic calculations on them, meaning you can't add or subtract them. You can only group and count such data sets. Examples of categorical or qualitative data sets actually includes gender, your country, your state of origin, your tribe, just to mention a few. A quantitative data or a numerical data, on the other hand, is actually the opposite of a categorical data, in the sense that a quantitative data can actually take a numerical value. That is, we can attach a number to them and we can perform basic arithmetic such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So as a data analyst, you're going to be coming across more of quantitative or numerical data, which now leads us to the types of quantitative or numerical data. So basically, we have two types of quantitative data, and that is the discrete data and the continuous data. A data set is actually said to be discrete if it is countable, it is finite. Take, for example, how many children do you have in your family? You can tell me 6, you can tell me 5, you can tell me 4, but you can never tell me 3.5. And that is because the number of children in your family can never take decimal value. So that is a discrete data. So one of the distinct property of a discrete data is based on the fact that it can never have a decimal value. It must always have whole number values. So examples of discrete data includes number of cars you have in a garage, the number of courses you are offering in a semester, the number of books you've actually read, the number of times you eat in a day, and so much more. A continuous data, on the other hand, is like the opposite of a discrete data, in the sense that a continuous data is not countable, it is actually measurable. A continuous data can actually take decimal values, and then a continuous data has a wide range of values, or we can say it has an infinite range of values. So examples of continuous data includes weight, amount of money, height, age, time, just to mention a few. For example, it is possible for you to weigh 70.5 kg. 70.5 is actually a decimal value, and your weight is actually being measured by an instrument. So like I said earlier on, knowing the type of data sets that you are working with is actually going to be very important to you when it comes to statistical analysis, knowing the right test to use, and also data visualization. If you want to start your data analysis journey and you want to know more about that, I have a video right here which is about the roadmap for data analysis. And if you want to know how much math do you need to start your data analysis journey, I have a video right here that you can just go check that out. So thanks for making it to the end of this video, and we'll see you in the next one. So bye for now.